Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix your PlayStation 5 LAN cable from disconnecting. First, let's start with the basics. Carefully inspect your Ethernet cable for any visible damage, like kinks or frayed wires. Make sure it's firmly plugged into both your PlayStation 5 console and your internet router. Sometimes, a loose connection is the simplest culprit. Also, try plugging the cable into a different Ethernet port on your router to rule out a faulty port. These initial checks can often resolve the issue quickly. Next, let's dive into your PlayStation 5's network settings. Navigate to the Settings menu and confirm that your wired connection is properly configured. A full restart of both your PlayStation 5 and your router can also work wonders, clearing any temporary glitches. Simply power them down for about 30 seconds before turning them back on. Additionally, ensure your console's system software is completely up to date, as updates often include network stability improvements. Now let's consider your hardware. Upgrading to a high-quality Cat6 or even a Cat7 Ethernet cable can significantly improve connection stability, especially over longer distances. These cables offer better shielding and data transfer rates. It's also crucial to check if your router's firmware is the latest version. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity problems. Lastly, temporarily disable any quality of service, or QoS, settings on your router, as they can sometimes interfere with consistent network performance. If the problem persists, it's time for some more advanced troubleshooting. If possible, test your PlayStation 5 with a completely different router or network to determine if the issue lies with your console or your current network setup. You can also try resetting your PlayStation 5's network settings to their default configuration. If you've tried all these steps and your LAN cable still keeps disconnecting, don't hesitate to reach out to PlayStation support for further assistance. They can provide specialized guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.